Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about the B of mnemonic Rahib, that is bundle branch blocks in the ECG interpretation. So let us start with the normal conduction system of the heart. The normal conduction system starts from the SA node. From the SA node there is firing of electrical activity which depolarizes the both atria, and from atria into AV node and AV node into this bundle of His. From the bundle of it is further divided into right bundle and left bundle. The left bundle further divided into anterior fascicle and posterior fascicle. So this was a normal conduction system of the heart. So let us start with the right bundle branch block. So the right bundle branch block is basically the interruption in this right bundle branch. When there is interruption or blockage in this right bundle, there is a right bundle branch block, and it causes the local delayed depolarization or local delayed contraction of this myocardium of this right ventricle. So look at the ECG of right bundle branch block. We will see the abnormalities in the lead V1 and V6. There is basically in the lead V1 there is RSR pattern. Two are waves of larger, one is for of smaller amplitude, and the other R wave of larger amplitude, and there is deep S wave in between the R waves. So this is RSR pattern in the lead V1, or simply we can say that there is M formation. As we can see, there is M formation in the lead V1, and in the lead V6 there is deep S wave. As you can see in this ECG, there is deep S wave in the lead V6. So there is, in short, we can say that there is W formation in the lead V6 and M formation in the lead V1. There is also a prolonged QRS complex. Normally normal QRS complex is less than 0.12 second or less than 3 small boxes. But here you can see that in this the QRS complex is more than 0.12 second, or it is greater than 3 small boxes. So remember, in V1 there is M formation or RSR pattern in V1 and W pattern or deep S wave in V6. It is basically a diagnostic of right bundle branch block. So this is the diagnostic of right bundle branch block. There are various causes of this right bundle branch block. uh, One, the most important cause is it may be present in the normal healthy individuals, or it may be this right bundle branch block may be due to right ventricular hypertrophy. When there is a hypertrophy or increased musculature in the right ventricle, it causes a blockage in this right bundle. So the one cause is, it may be in the normal variants in the healthy individuals, or it may be in the cases of right ventricular hypertrophy, and other causes are coronary artery diseases and pulmonary embolism. These are the causes of right bundle branch block. So remember the mnemonic marrow, MARROW, that is M formation in lead V1 and W formation in lead V6. So remember the mnemonic marrow for right bundle branch block. Now come to the left bundle branch block. So here look at the conduction system of the heart. Here the pathology is in left bundle branch, which is further divided into anterior fascicle and posterior fascicle. In the lead 1 there is QS pattern. Normally the Q wave is downward and shows the negative deflection, and R wave shows the positive deflection, and S wave shows the negative deflection. So here, as you can see in the lead V1, there is QS pattern in the QRS complex, and there is prolonged, that is more than 0.12 seconds of QRS complex. It shows that there is blockage or defect in this depolarization of the ventricle. So there is QS pattern in lead V1, or simply we can say that there is W formation in lead V1, and there is RSR pattern. Two R waves of larger amplitude, RSR pattern, two R waves of larger amplitude in lead V6 in the QRS complex. So there is RSR pattern. This is R, and this one is S, and this is taller R wave. So there is RSR pattern, or simply we can say that there is M formation in the lead V6. So remember the mnemonic William in this case, William for the left bundle branch block. So this is the case of left bundle branch block. The pathology is in the left bundle of conduction system of the heart. There are various causes of the left bundle branch block. The most important cause is hypertension, left ventricular hypertrophy or increased musculature of the left ventricle causes the blockage in this bundle, and the other causes are cardiomyopathies, and some other causes are coronary artery diseases. So this was whole about the ECG interpretation of the bundle branch blocks. So thank you so much for watching this video.